Hello everyone. Today we are going to start chapter number 7. Can you see the pattern? First, we need to know what is pattern. A pattern is a group of numbers, shapes or objects that follow a rule while repeating or changing. For example, you can see a picture here and this is a repeated decorative design. So what is the rule here? Yes, rule is half turn. That means when I want to get the second image, I'll just turning half the first one. Okay. And when I'll revolve half the second one, I'll get the third picture which is just similar to first one. So this is pattern. Okay. First image, second image is different and the third one is similar to first one. Okay, then fifth one is similar to third. As you can see, first 3, 5, 7 they are similar, and second, fourth, sixth, eighth they are similar. So this is pattern because first image is repeating itself after fixed interval of time, or I can say by following rule. Okay, another pattern. Numbers are given to you 18, 15, 12, 9, 6 and 3. So what is the rule here? When I subtract 3 from 18, I'll get 15. Then I subtract 3 from 15 to get 12. So the rule is to subtract 3 from previous number to get next number. So this is also pattern because it is following rule that if I will subtract 3 from previous number, I'll get next number. Okay. Let's start with picture pattern. So what is picture pattern? Where pictures are given me in form of pattern. So let's start with first picture here. As you can see, picture of rose, and first rose is different from second one. When I just turn half the first one, I'll get the second one. So the first one is upward and second one is downwards. Then third image is upwards and fourth one is downwards. So rule is half turn. Okay, if I'll turn half the first image, I'll get the second image. Then I'll turn half second image, I'll get the third image. So first, third, fifth, seventh images are same, and second, fourth, sixth, eighth images are same. Okay, another pattern. So when we are moving from first image to second image, what is the difference? Yes, the picture is turning in a clockwise direction. Okay, and how much it turns? It turns half of half. That means 1/4. Okay, that means 1/4 turn. So first image, when we are moving from first image to second image, it is turning 1/4 turn in clockwise direction. Then from second to third, again when we turn image in a clockwise direction, and how much I have to turn? 1/4. Okay, half of half. Then it will be as similar to third one. As you can see, third image. Okay, fourth image is when I turn third image 1/4 in a clockwise direction, I'll get fourth image. Okay, then what about fifth? Fifth is just similar to first one, and how I am getting this image? Yes, when I turn fourth image 1/4 in turn in clockwise direction. Okay, so rule is 1/4 turn in clockwise direction. Moving forward to another pattern. The pattern of alphabet L is given to you, and you need to write what should be next in pattern. Okay, so first you have to find out rule and then you are going to write. So what is rule here? As you can see, first L and the second L is different, and they are different because L is turning 45 degree in a clockwise direction. Okay, it is not 90 degree, it is less than 90 degree. So as you can say, half of 90 degree, so it is 45 degree. Then again I'll just turn L in clockwise direction and 45 degree turn. I'll take 45 degree turn and I'll get this. Then after turning 45 degree, I'll have L like this. Okay, and if I'll just turn 45 degree in clockwise direction, the previous L, I'll get the next L. Okay, so this is a rule. Next pattern, the pattern is given to you, picture is already given to you, and the turn is showing by arrow. You need to find out rule. What is the rule? The turn is, it is not half turn, it is more than half. So it is 3/4 turn. Okay, and when I just turn 3/4 first image, I'll get the second image like this. And if I'll turn second image 3/4, I'll get third image like this. So rule is to turn first image 3/4, turn in clockwise direction to get next image. Okay, I have to turn previous image 3/4, turn in clockwise direction to get next image. Next is number pattern. So what is number pattern? Where pattern is formed by using numbers. So I am having this pattern: 11, 17, 23, 29, 35, 41, 47, 53. So what is the rule here? Yeah, how it is pattern? Yes, when I'll subtract 11 from 17, I'll have 6. When I'll subtract 17 from 23, I'll have 6. When I'll subtract 23 from 29, I'll have 6. So when I'm moving from one number to the next number, there's a difference of 6. You can see, 11 plus 6, 17, 17 plus 6, 23, 23 plus 6, 29, 29 plus 6, 35, 35 plus 6, 41, 41 plus 6, 47, and when I add 47 and 6, my answer is 53. So this is number pattern. Okay, another example is, I have a number pattern, but the numbers are just shown in form of dots. Okay, when I want to represent, like if I am just marking 4 dots, it representing 4 number. If I'll just add 1 dot in length and 1 dot in breadth, okay, I'll have 9. Then again I'm just adding a row of 1 dot in length and row of 1 dot in breadth, then I'm having 16, and similarly 25. Okay, this is also a pattern. If I'll just giving you 4, 9, 16, 25, you should know how I can make it. Okay, one more number pattern: 1, then 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34 and 55. How I get this pattern? So when I just add 1 and 1, I'll get 2. Then if I'll add 2 with 1, I'll get 3. Then if I'll add 3 and 2, I'll get 5. So what I'm doing here, I'm just adding previous 2 numbers to get next number. Okay, so when I want to get 8, I'll add 3 and 5. And 5 and 8 will give you 13. 8 plus 13 will give you 21. 13 plus 21 is equal to 34, and 21 plus 34 is equal to 55. So these types of numbers which I get from adding previous 2 numbers. Okay, if I'll add previous 2 number, numbers and I'll get the next number. This series is known as Fibonacci series. Okay, a series of numbers in which each number is the sum of two preceding numbers. Okay, and the numbers of Fibonacci series are known as Fibonacci number. Okay, now I have written a word here, Naman, then madam, and one number 10201. Okay, so what is the similarity between Naman, madam and 10201? Yes, when I read these numbers or word from backward or from forward, it will remain same. Okay, when I read NAMAN, Naman from forward, and from backward NAMAN, it is same. Okay, so these types of words or number which is same when I read it from backward or forwards are known as palindrome. Okay, so special words, numbers or phrase that reads the same backwards and forwards. Let's find a palindrome number by taking 4823 as a starting point. So I want to make palindrome number, that means a number which is same when I read it from forward or backward. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'll have 4823. I will just reverse this number. When I reverse it in step 1, as you can see, I have 4823 and I'll reverse the number. I'll have 3284, or I can say 3284. Then I'm going to add these numbers. Okay, 4823 and 3284. When I add them, I'll have 8107. Okay, this is your step 1. We are doing this for making 4823 as palindrome number. Okay, then in step 2, what I'm going to do, I'll just write 8107 and then I'll just reverse 8107 and add them. Okay, similarly as I have done in step 1. So when I just reverse 8107, I'll have 7018, that means 7018. Then I am going to add 8107 and 7018. I'll get 15125. Okay, it is still not a palindrome number. Okay, so I am just moving to step 3. In step 3, I'll just reverse 15125 and I'll have 52151. Okay, 52151. So I am just going to add 15,125 and 52,151 and I'll get 67,276. Now when you read this number from forward and backward, it will same. Okay, so this is palindrome number. Therefore palindrome number is 67,276, or I can say 67276. Okay, this is your homework. Follow instructions written in questions and do according to it. Thank you children and take care.